जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। सो आज मेरे पास है BMW 7 सीरीज़ 740e M पैकेज। व्हील से आपको अंदाज़ा हो गया होगा, यू मस्ट हैव रिकग्नाइज द व्हील्स। सो एनीवेज, दिस इज़ अ वेरी नाइस लुकिंग कार एंड वेरी बिग लॉन्ग व्हील, and though I'm not a that much big fan of BMW, but the look reminds me of 007. So I thought, why not? The color is excellent. The blue color is outstanding on this car. So yeah, let's head towards the video and the car and see and share it with you guys. So here it is. Look at the front. This is, by the way, 2018 model 740e, means plug-in hybrid as well, which has a motor of 111 HP, and the battery pack is 9.3 kilowatts per hour, which it gives with the 2.0 liter twin turbo engine, 4 cylinders. So huge car, as you can see. And look at the front. Obviously the typical BMW grills, the iconic, and the lights as well. Really like the lights and the DRL, and the sports bumper covered with the chrome top, and underneath that chrome we have the fog lamps, and the camera is in the front over here. Looks really amazing. This is the M package, as I've told you. There is an M badge over here as well. So the M badge is over there on the side fender, and underneath that is the chrome continuing from the front bumper, going there, going on the side, and moving towards the back. And that silver opening is a functionality. It's an air vent. It takes the air from here and comes out from here. Which is, it goes on 60 miles per second, 60 miles in around about 5.6 seconds. So it has a big speed in it, and the torque and the horsepower it produces, only on the engine I'm talking about. The horsepower it gives is 255 horsepower, 255, and the Newton torque it produces is 295 on the engine. But in combined with the battery, it converts to 322 Newton horsepower, and the Newton torque it produces is 365. That is a huge numbers for this car, and 0 to 100 in 5.6 seconds. That is quite good. And you look at the body structure and the color. This is hard top. There is no sunroof in it or panoramic roof, but still it looks amazing. And at the back it comes with an eDrive logo. It has 3 different eDrives: auto drive, maximum drive, that is with the battery, and then one more drive is there, that is totally both battery, and the maximum drive is totally the battery, and then normal, other than that is battery and the engine as well. So, and talking about the back, the lights as good as the front lights, and the chrome trim is on the lights as well over here, which is going on. And these are the exhaust tips it has on both sides, and really like the curves and design of it, and reflectors over here as well. Comes out really nice, this car. And it comes with 360 camera as well, as you can see over here. And this is the charging area. This is as plug-in hybrid, so you have to put it over here. It's on the front left side, and the fuel tank is on the right side, as normal cars does. And it has all the parking sensors and back view camera. So this is an electronic seat. So they have reduced the space, because as compared with the plain 7 series, just because underneath over here, underneath this are the batteries, so the space is a little less. Otherwise in normal 7 series it goes down. and very neat and clean car. All the bits and bits are there. So yeah, it's a auto lock as well. But overall, from outside, this car is one piece of an eye catcher, I'll say, and it comes with two-tone 20 inches wheel M package. Wheels are installed in it, which are really beautiful, and this car totally gives them aggressive look in it. So 7 Series, no doubt, one of its kind. I really like these 7 Series. They are one of its kind and beautiful cars. So yeah, let me show you the interior first now. From the back, we're going to start, as always. So check out the cream interior with leather, black leather, cream leather, and the wood trims in it. And by the way, they are still giving the ashtrays in 2018 at the back passenger, because it's a chauffeur driven, so obviously. And these seats are massage and all auto power control, and they recline, and you can adjust them from here, and it has some space as well to keep your stuff. So very nice car, and climate control is there as well. You can control it from here, each and everything. And look out the back side of the front seats with trim in it and some luggage place. And these seats are two-way memory seats, so you can adjust them in two different people can adjust each side. So this is quite good as well in it. And obviously this car is equipped with Harman Kardon speakers, surround system, so it would be creating a good voice sound in it as well, a really good sound. So very luxury car and very neat and clean in 2018. And the color, the cream color, the leather is really nice with diamond stitching and everything. Comes out really nice, and all the comfort is there. You feel like you are sitting in a jet, in a comfortable aeroplane. So yeah, so this is the driver side. So it has also the memory seats, heated seats as well, 3 points over here for the heating seats, and these are the controls for the side mirrors, and that's it. And over here we have a M logo over here on the door skirts, which is on all 4 doors, so that is quite good. And these are the seats with the shining piping in it, and it has quite many functions in the seats as well. So check out the center console, so huge, and some extra space and charging ports to charge your stuff, but really beautiful. This is the main control for all the things in it on the multimedia, and you can control them from here. And check out the gear knob, such a beautiful gear knob, and some extra features button, old school kind of a touch is there still. And this is the handbrake over here, but such a lovely interior. Cup holders and another charging with the lighter one, and USB over here as well, so you can close that as well, and full as well. So it looks very nice, neat and clean. And check out it still does have a CD player in it. This reminds me of old school, the climate control. You can control all the buttons and heat, and these are all the controls from the vents and for the seats. You can choose them from here. Anyways, that is a long. This is the AC maximum, and this is the flow, the maximum. You can change the modes over here. As you can see, it's changing. So quite good. So this is the AC button over here as well. This is the maximum AC button. So yeah, and this is the radio and all that. So let's go back, and this is my vehicle. So these are all the settings: battery control, lights, door, intelligent safety, and everything. You can play over here, and you can see what's in it. I mean, there are quite many options in it. I mean, like in parking, we go adopted PDC activation, active PDC emergency, park assist, cross traffic alert, and panorama view, and everything is there. So very nice looking details, intelligent safety. I mean, if you go pedestrian walking and all that. So over here, I mean, it tells everything about the lane departure, warning off. You can off it as well. Collision warning, late. So lane changing warning. I mean, if you're changing the lane, you can. I mean, steering interaction. I mean, the steering wheel wobble. I mean, vibrates. Side collision warning. I mean, there are so many things. You just have to play with it. I'm going somewhere long. So yeah. So talking about the lights, I mean, vehicle setting, and so, and next to that is the notification and navigation, and then connected drive. I mean, you can connect your media and everything, communication and all that. So you just have to play with it. I mean, if I can start the car. Yeah. So this is the display you get from this car, and it's a cold start, so low fuel range. Fuel is totally on end, so I have to just give it a big shout and close it. But this is something really totally digital. I mean, from this era, I mean, they started a little bit before. They started the digital screen and everything, but keeping the old school vibe in it. So very nice. I mean, for me, I mean, this is the best thing. And over here, if you press this button, I think we are low on close message. So if you press this button, so over here I wanted to show you, I mean, all on and individual intelligent safety. So over here the car is here, and all the cars it's going to show. If you press all on, so it will be everything. I mean, people and everything will be in it. So it's just a click of a button. This button is for hazard, as you know, and this is all touch, from heat to cold. You can just move your finger like this and it will do it. In technology wise, these cars are best. I mean, I have on this heated seat, so I just have to close it because it's getting hot in it. So yeah, so let me close the car, turn off the car, because the mileage is fuel is at the end. But yeah, it's an excellent car, and it here's the steering, and it comes with pedal shifters as well, and all the multimedia controls and cruise control as well over here. And you can operate it from here, and on this side is all multimedia and sound as well. So it is also M series steering, which is quite good. So the car is saying you need to plug in, as you can see over here. But overall, it is a very nice looking car, very beautiful, big, luxury, comfortable seats and everything. Small details are very much in it. And here's a small compartment for the driver to keep its personal belongings over here. And over here is the button to open the gas cover. You just have to press it and it will open. I don't need to press it. So yeah, let me show you the engine. It is double time click, so you have to pull it double time and it will open automatically. Not automatically. So here it is, 2-liter twin turbo engine, amazing, producing 255 horsepower and 296 Newton meter of torque. Just the engine. with the batteries I've told you. 322 horsepower and 369 torque it produces. So very nice looking car, and would love to drive it one day. Would love to drive it one day and see the performance of it. But from in and out, I mean, this car is one piece. Looks really beautiful from outside. Really love the color, the trims, everything is perfect on this car, even the chrome and everything. Beautiful car to have in the fleet. So as you know, this car is available at Segal Motors, so you can come and have a look at it, and maybe you can do a deal with them. But this is something really beautiful. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and the next video will be the car behind me, the E-Class. That is one of a piece as well, so I don't want to miss that as well. But till now it was just a small peek in it. But yeah, I will do their full showroom tour, because they have plenty of cars in there, and really good cars. Trust me, really good cars. So yeah, till the next video, take care, goodbye, have fun.